Stop by and take a look at the 2018 E-350. Ford has maintained its level of success for E-Series by continually monitoring its customers' needs and maintaining a high level of quality, power and strength, spacious comfort, abundant and versatile cargo capacity. These have made E-350 America's choice for personal and commercial vans over the past 3 decades. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual airbags, air conditioning, one owner, power steering, cruise control, 4-wheel disc brakes, tachometer, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel, dual rear wheels. Come see the car for yourself.